It's not as simple as I thought, but we're doing it anyway. This is the final design I'll use to customize the free Shopify theme. I kept it clean and simple so the product templates will stand out. There are so many things to set up in Shopify, and one of them is your store payment method. Shopify offers its own payment system, which handles everything from credit cards like Visa and MasterCard. Sounds great, right? Well, not for me, because of course, Indonesia, where I'm currently living right now, is not on their list of supported countries. The alternative is using a third-party payment provider, so I applied to Payoneer and to Checkout. Both of them declined my applications. To Checkout even asked for a license or a contract showing I'm allowed to sell my products. I explained I sell Notion templates which don't require a license, and even shared an email from Notion verifying me as a template creator. Still, they turned me down. Honestly, after that I was just too excited to apply to more providers. It's such a time-consuming process until I can figure out another way or find a provider that supports more payment methods. I can only accept PayPal for now, but if you don't use PayPal, you can still purchase my Notion templates through Notion's marketplace or Gumroad. For my domain name, somethingorganized.com was already taken, but I really wanted to stick to a .com address, so I added studio at the end, making it somethingorganizedstudio.com. I originally tried purchasing the domain through Shopify, but for some reason, it kept giving me an error when registering. Instead, I bought the domain from a site called Namecheap, which was actually a bit cheaper. However, it did require a little setup to connect the domain to Shopify. I had to change the DNS setting and link the domain manually, which wasn't too complicated but took some time. And usually it takes a few hours for the new domain to be verified and fully connected to Shopify. If you're selling digital products, you need to install an app from the Shopify App Store called Digital Downloads by Shopify. Once it's installed, you can add your file directly from the app or while adding a new product. Simply click More Actions and select Add Digital File.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me.
It's finally time to connect my YouTube account with my Shopify store. Once you've installed the YouTube app from the Shopify App Store, you'll need to activate the feature Sell Products on your YouTube channel. After that, Google will review your store and approve your products, which usually takes 2 to 3 days. For me, it only took 1 day, and now my store is officially connected to my YouTube channel. This means viewers can find my products directly under my videos. It's a big step for me, and I'm excited to see how this will help me grow.
'Cause every time